We are here at Cool Wheels in Richmond, Virginia. We are here for what reason?
We are going to test some e-bikes today.
Yeah, something that's been on our wish list for quite some time as we make our way to Florida.
Yeah, since before we started full-time RVing, we wanted to check out e-bikes, and we just really haven't had a chance to do it. We don't have a bike rack on our RV, and so...
No. And we really don't want one either.
No, so we've been considering getting foldable e-bikes, and we just haven't taken the time to do it, and now we finally are like, okay, we're going to Florida.
Yeah.
We want to have some bikes.
Right.
We're in Virginia. We're in Gloucester, Virginia for a wee bit, and there is a e-bike dealer in Richmond, which wasn't too far. Unfortunately, they don't have rad bikes here.
Right, one of the brands that we're considering as well.
Yeah, this one is the Vika, or the Blix Vika is what we're looking at here, which is a competitor to the rad bike. It's a little bit more expensive than the rad bike, so we are going to test drive. Ryan isn't sure that he wants an e-bike. He's not 100% sure.
We'll find out.
He'll probably want one after he rides one. But we're doing that today, and we will give a little report on if we're going to go for it or not.
Right.
So I'm going to test drive the Blix Vika. Ryan is going to test drive the Magnum.
We just finished our test drive at Cull Bicycle Shop in Richmond, and we ended up buying...
We are the proud owners of two bikes.
We came to ride the Blix. We had rad on our mind, and we ended up with
Magnum.
Magnum Premier. We rode it. It's got all the features that we thought we were looking for in the rad, and we sat in the car for a few minutes, talked about it, and made a decision. Let's do it.
We don't take long making decisions, but the problem is that these e-bike companies are 8 to 10 weeks in ordering, and we don't have that luxury of knowing where we're going to be in 8 to 10 weeks. Actually, it's a luxury not knowing, but at the same time, one, we didn't want to wait, and two, we just don't know where we're going to be, and they have these in stock. So they're gonna put them together. We're gonna pick them up in a couple of days. We'll add to this video on showing you the bikes when we get them and kind of an unboxing, even though they won't be boxed.
Right.
But we're pretty excited. We got the accessories that we needed, and I think we've waited 9 months for these, and it's time for us to elevate our experience a little bit. So stay tuned, and we'll introduce you to our bikes next. Here he comes with our new purchase. We call this sexy money versus boring things that you have to buy for RVing, like refrigerator parts and brake drums and things like that. Let's see it. Ah, ta-da! Here they are, the Magnums. Did they help you get them in, or yeah? So we got these at Cool Bikes in Richmond. This one's Ryan's. This is the black one. Just like that. Well, other than your seat. So I thought these were supposed to have really fancy seats on them.
They do have fancy.
Do they have fancy seats? Oh, okay. They flip up. All right, here's mine. So we're super happy that they both can fit in the back of the truck. We don't have to get a bike rack at this time. This is how easy they are to fold back up. Just boom, boom, boom. Oh, I love that low step through. Beauty. Just need a seat.
we are in St. Augustine, taking a little break and wanted to tell you a little bit more about our bikes. So Chris and I both got the Magnum Premium e-bikes. They're foldable, super easy to break down, they fit in the back of our truck. What do we like about these? Kind of everything. Speed-wise, they're super fast. I can get this up to about 25 miles an hour when I'm in full assist mode. We've bought a couple of accessories. We just recently purchased a little handle holder for our iPhones.
So we can do GPS and music and whatever.
Yep.
And
here
then
we bought little saddlebags. And here we've got our water and keys and things. A couple other little features we like on this is the little bell. So when we're passing somebody, we can kind of give them a little ding that we're coming up. It does have a throttle here. So in addition to the assist on the pedaling, you can just use the throttle. It's a 7-speed bike. For me, I love to pedal and not use the assist as much. So I'm able to kind of gear it up and gear it down for my riding pleasure. The other thing we liked about this is the spoke system. So you'll see here that we don't have more of the...
these are magnesium.
Yeah, the magnesium spokes versus the little thin aluminum spokes you get on a normal bike. It also has disc brakes, hydraulic disc brakes. So another feature that we like to have on this. Which,
in full disclosure, we don't know anything about bikes really. We will be learning as we go.
Right, but you know, they're super smooth.
Yeah.
I really like that.
I find them so comfortable to ride.
Yeah.
It's really intuitive. It took a little bit to figure out the pedal assist. The pedal assist only kicks in when you're actually pedaling. Duh. But I didn't know that. I was a little intimidated by the pedal assist. So you can just, if you just stop pedaling.
Just hit the throttle and it'll go.
Yeah.
So that's another thing. You don't have to pedal. You can use the throttle.
Right.
But I'll show you real quick how quickly this can break down for us. So I'm just going to pop this here in the middle. Another safety feature is you have to lift it up in order for it to collapse. So it's not, if your clasp comes off, you're not going to flounder. And then this comes down this way, and there you have it.
And off you go.
We pick it up and put it right in the truck. We can fit both of these in our back seat very easily, and we strap them down so they don't bang around too much. But super easy to fold up. They're not too heavy. You pull the battery out, there's another 10 pounds there.
Yeah, they're 50.
Yeah, they're
50 with the battery.
Yeah, so you pull the battery out, you got 40 pounds. Pretty easy to get in and out of the truck. But so far, we're really enjoying these. It's fun to get around, particularly in like a little town like St. Augustine. As we travel through Florida, we're going to have much more opportunities to use these and just enjoy our time getting around.
I have to say, I don't like biking, but these bikes are so much fun just to pop open, and I don't have to worry about trying to keep up with him because he bikes a lot faster than I do. So I'm just
thrilled. I hope you're not filming this too much.
I am. Yeah, I'm filming. Maybe you need to do your handlebars first. It's really not that hard. It's really not that hard, but
there we go.
There we go. So there you have it. So when are we going to do a little update?
We'll do a little update maybe when we're down in the Keys.
Yeah, 3 to 4 months maybe.
Yep.
And just see if we still love them as much as we do now. So stay tuned.